I'm delivered in the early. My spoken word style, raw, real, and relatable. We're rhythm and heart.
Yo, what's good, fam? It's time to level up. No more living in the drama. No more fake peace while you're drowning in the trauma. This one's for your soul, your mind, your sanity. We talking about boundaries, real love, not vanity. So grab your heart and pull up a chair. Let's talk respect, let's talk care. Cause anything good in the bond, no lie, starts with truth, communication, eye to eye. What is a safe space? A safe space ain't just four walls and a door. It's a vibe where your spirit don't feel sore. It's where you can cry, laugh, vent, and speak. And no one makes you feel too loud or too weak. It's trust on deck, your judgment out the room. There's sunlight breaking through emotional gloom. A safe space is peace, no need to pretend. Where your story gets heard, beginning to end. With your partner, it's when no, don't need a reason. With your homies, it's loyalty in every season. With fam, it's not crossing lines just cause they raised you. Even blood gotta learn how to not cage you. Understanding boundaries, now let's get real. Boundaries, what they mean? They the lines that keep your mind and heart clean. It's like setting a fence in your soul's front yard so love can walk in, but pain don't leave you scarred. Boundaries ain't walls, they doors with a key. They protect your peace, let you breathe and be free. You're saying don't yell, or I need time to think. It's knowing when to walk, when to fix, when to blink. Without them, yo, you drown in people's needs. Be a guard that never pulls out weeds. You'll say yes when your spirit's screaming nah. So boundaries, that's self-love.
Set healthy boundaries. Wanna build them right, gotta talk, not guess. Use your words, don't settle for stress. Say what you need and say it plain. Not in anger, not in shame. Like I need time, or please don't shout. I'm not okay with you counting me out. Be clear, be calm, be firm, not rude. Set that tone, but check that mood. Respect don't mean you always agree. It means I see you, and I let you see me. No guilt in protecting your vibe, your name. Healthy boundaries, that's growth for benefits of having boundaries. Boundaries bring blessings, let me testify. They cut the chaos and the need to lie. They build strong roots where love can grow. No second guessing, just let it flow. Communication gets real, no need to decode. You walk with peace on this emotional road. Respect gets mutual, no love that drains. Just solid bonds that don't leave stains.
I get it. Let me wrap this up for you, King. Respecting others' boundaries. Now flip the script, this ain't just about you. You gotta honor their lines too, that's true. You want your no to matter, then hear theirs out. Listen close, don't twist what they about. If they say I need space, let them breathe. Don't guilt trip, don't beg, don't see. A real one asked, what do you need? Not pushing past, not acting out of greed. Every soul got a rhythm, a personal song. Respecting their beat keeps the bond strong. So talk it out, check your pride, cause communication's the realest guide. So say goodbye to drama, let peace be the theme. No more toxic love dressed up as a dream. You deserve clarity, care, not confusion. Boundaries are love's truest fusion. Be brave enough to draw the line, soft enough to let real ones shine. And always remember, before you relate, talk it out, communicate. Word, one love. Now let's get real. Boundaries, what they mean. They the lines that keep your mind and heart clean. It's like setting a fence in your soul's front yard, so love can walk in, but pain don't leave you scarred. Boundaries ain't walls, they doors with a key. They protect your peace, let you breathe and be free. It's saying, don't yell where I need time to think. It's knowing when to walk, when to fix, when to blink. It's one love. Everyone deserves that one love.